Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about status match programs. So for those of you that may not know, Carnival Cruise Line just announced changes to their VIFP, their very important fun person program. I'll admit I don't fully understand the program, but from what I've read online, people are very upset with Carnival and the changes they are making, specifically the change where you can lose your status if you don't cruise with them for a certain amount of time. In the current version of the program, you earn your status by the number of days you sail with Carnival, and you obtain that status for life. For example, I am currently gold in the program, but if I don't sail with them for 2 years, I might slide back to red or even blue status. Although some people may not agree with the changes, I have heard some people taking out their frustrations on the Carnival crew. This is not acceptable since they didn't make the decision about the program changes. In the cruise community, we have one golden rule which I feel applies here. We be nice, we be kind, and we cruise. With each level comes a certain amount of perks. Depending on the cruise line, those perks may include discounts, drinks, laundry services, or even Wi-Fi packages. Disclaimer time. It should be noted that the new changes to the VIFP program aren't set to take place until June 2026, at which time those of us who are current members will be grandfathered into the new system for a certain amount of years. Higher status members will keep their status for up to 6 years and after the program rolls out, while those of us on lower tiers will keep our status for 2 years. With the new changes, some Carnival cruisers are looking to other lines to cruise with. It should be noted that other Carnival ship holdings do not status match. The only line that I have found that status matches to Carnival as well as other cruise lines is MSC. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at some of these alternatives, starting with MSC. The MSC Loyalty Club is called the Voyagers Club. Once you go to the MSC website, you can create an account and apply for the Status Match program. I did that about a year ago with my Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor Society membership and got status matched to gold. If you're a Carnival VIFP member, you'll be status matched according to your level with a VIFP. These include Red Blue cards, you'll be matched to Classic with 1 to 2,199 points. Gold will be matched to Silver with 2,200 points to 4,299 points. And Platinum and Diamond, you'll be status matched to Gold with 4,300 points to 9,999 points. Beyond that, once you reach 10,000 points, you'll reach Diamond status. There are 2 more tiers MSC has. Diamond, which is 10,000 to 24,999 points, and Blue Diamond, which has 25,000 points. The points do expire every 5 years if there's no activity in your MSC account. Next up is Norwegian Cruise Line. Norwegian's loyalty program is called Latitudes. When you book with NCL, you will automatically be enrolled in the Latitudes program. Right now, since I've only done one cruise with NCL, I'm at the bottom tier, the bronze level. The levels are bronze, silver, gold, platinum, sapphire, diamond, and ambassador. As far as I know, they don't offer a status match program. Next up, we have Celebrity and Royal, which status match to each other, and the Venetian Society for Silver Sea. For more information on the benefits of these programs, please visit their respective websites. To earn points in each of the loyalty clubs, you will need to sign up for each of the loyalty clubs individually. You'll be given a specific number for each club, which will be linked to each other. When you go on one cruise line's ship, you'll earn points specifically for that cruise line. However, once you reach a new level in one of these lines, it will be reflected in all of the other loyalty clubs. For example, I recently leveled to Elite for Celebrity. I have 6 points to make it to Diamond on Royal, and I have yet to set foot on a Silver Sea ship. Because of my level in Celebrity's Captain's Club, I will be honored as a Diamond on my next Royal sailing and have the equivalent of 250 days with the Venetian Society. My next cruise, however, is with Royal, during which I will not earn any points towards the Venetian Society or Captain's Club. I will only be earning points in the Crown and Anchor Society, Royal Caribbean's Loyalty Club. Virgin Voyages is next with their sailing club. Now, it should be noted that Virgin is an adults-only line, and they refer to their passengers as sailors. Unlike many other lines that have loyalty programs, Virgin Voyages awards its sailors points based on the number of cruises you take and only has 3 tiers. You can earn 1 point per cruise. I'll put a link to the status match listings below. Finally, Disney offers Castaway Club on their voyages. They offer 5 levels: Silver for 1 sailing, Gold for 5 sailings, Platinum for 10 sailings, and Pearl for 25 sailings or more. For a complete list of their benefits, please visit their website, which I'll link in the description below. Please note that you must sail with them once every 5 years to keep your membership in the Castaway Club. They also do not officially offer a status match program. So there you have it, a breakdown of some of the loyalty programs I've been asked about frequently. Seasoned cruisers, are you loyal to any one line or are you a member of any of these lines? We would love to hear your feedback below. And as always, bon voyage!